This is the Janaza of Professor Lateef Sahab. Professor Lateef Sahab used to teach mathematics at Government Postgraduate College Chikwal, and he got retired in 2001, 24 years back. Most of the people who are here to say the Janaza prayer, they are his students, former students. Professor Lateef Sahab led a very good life indeed. He was a harmless person, a very simple, very straightforward indeed. Very simple, very straightforward indeed. And now everybody have to die, and he too have died. He remained active till the very last day. Maybe he was seen only 2 days, or some people say one day, back in the public park while walking, and he slept, uh, you know went to bed and couldn't wake up in the morning. That is how simply he died, and without any sort of pain he suffered. Maybe he suffered a heart attack or any other problem. Somehow he is gone, and he was some 84, 85 years old. 84, 85 year old. But he died like everybody to die. You can see that good number of people are present here, and most of those who are present here, they are his former students. Most of these people were standing here. They used to study in his class, as he was an expert in mathematics. And he have one son, Pazir, who is standing there. You can see him. He's standing there, wearing wearing glasses. He's standing there, and another relative of him is talking to the public. These are all. This is the Janaza of Professor Lateef Sahab. He was 84, 85 years old. Now he has died, and the Janaza is about to begin. The Janaza prayer is about to begin. Lots of people are present here. Most of these people present here, they are his former students. They studied in his class. He used to teach mathematics.